We have seen the definition of a company. We have seen the definition of a company code. Now we're going to be upgrading our company code by adding on a plant. So far our company code is quite empty. What do I mean by this? What I mean is our company code currently does not have any functionality of its own. It is only a bundle of information about some subsidiary that we own in the US. In order to add SAP production planning functionality, we need to add a plant to this company code. A plant is where all the production of materials and products happen, and it is also the location where these products are temporarily stored before they are exported out to warehouses. So let's see how we can create our plant. Let's come down to logistics. Here we're going to come down to define, copy, delete, check plant. Here we're going to go up to define plant and hit choose. Let's go to new entries. And here is a simple plant definition page. Let's define our plant as 1002. We're going to name this as Detroit RUSA plant. And we don't need to worry about name 2. And that is basically all we have to define. If we want to define the factory calendar, we can do that here. This is going to be the calendar that our factory follows. So we can have an arrangement for the whole year. This is also going to define the way that our workers are going to be working here. Are they hired for the whole year? Is the agreement monthly? And here we're going to be going with the factory calendar German standard. This has been set by SAP and we can use it here as well. Let's hit save. And here we see a similar screen that we saw before. Here we're going to be going with a person who is going to be in charge of this plant. Mr. Henry George is going to be in charge of this plant, and we can pull up this plant information by searching RUSA plant 001, or we can have our plant as Detroit plant cars. Here is information about the street where it's located. We'll put 890 plant street, and we'll place some postal code here 19800. The city again as Detroit, state as Michigan, and the country as US. Let's hit save. Here's our request. We're going to hit continue again. And our plant has been created. Our plant is called 1002